Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you where you can find your board history in Miro, as well as restore previous changes and also edits here in your board on Miro. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your presentation of board on Miro. And what you want to do is click into these three dots in the top left to access your board's main menu. Hover your mouse over board, and here guys to the right select history. Now to the left you will see that board history with all these edits and changes with the timestamp to the right and the specific action conducted or performed, like for example edit a text box, edit a mind map, moved element, deleted, and so on and so forth. So guys, if you'd like to access it, simply click into the given change and you will be automatically redirected to the given change. As you can see, there you go. Now if you'd like to restore them guys, this option is only available for users that have, for example, an upgraded membership on Miro. As you can see, previous board versions can only be recovered with an upgrade guys. So I can't do this unfortunately with my membership, so all I can do is navigate through these changes and edits via my board history to check what has been done and simply manually add changes and edits if you don't like to give an edit. So let's say, for example, I added the text here. So as you can see with that timestamp 1635. So if you'd like to change this, you will simply need to navigate to the change and change it manually, like change it here. So that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.